Hello and welcome to Google Developers Group Jodhpur. First of all, thank you very much for making our previous event How to be an awesome YouTuber very successful. Also thanks to Sarmaji Technical and Technical Guruji for great interactive sessions and inspiring us for our future venture. So here, once again we come up with a great event will be known as Be a Translator. Basically, during 16 to 31st December 2015, Google India organized this competition online and right now it was over. And I personally took a part in this initiative and contribute equally to a top level position. Now again, Google Developers Group Jodhpur will going to start this competition. So for the people keep doing contribute to make Google Translate a better application to avoid language barrier for each and everyone. And this is also one of the success pillar of our beloved Prime Minister initiative, that is Digital India. Because if there is a no language barrier, we can definitely move ahead and make India like a cyber warrior nation. So this is a video tutorial to demonstrate how to participate in this competition, which is going to start online from 26 to 31st January 2016, and result will be declared in middle of February month, probably second week of February. And top 10 contributors going to reward by GTG Jodhpur with some exciting prizes. So let's start. In this part of video I will show you how to take a part, how to fill the form. First of all, you have to go to Google Chrome and you have to type a specific URL, that is our registration form, like https you can find this URL on your screen right now. Once you log in, once you visit this registration form, you will redirect to a Google form. Over there you have to submit your informations. Plus, once you're on this phone, you have to submit your information on this form, so we have your data with us that you are contributing this competition during the particular timeline. What you have to do is you have to put your full name, like this tutorial video. Right now I'm recording this video, so there is no video, but once you will actually visit this video, you will find a tutorial video here, and just click here submit. Once you will find submit, you will find a particular link there. Let's contribute. Just click on this link and you will redirect to this Google Translate community page, where you will find your email ID. So once you redirect into this page, you will find you are just login here. That is your email ID, your Google account, and left side you will find a Hamburg menu style icon, where you find lots of options, like first my statistics, my badges, languages. By default these languages are showing here because I already contribute this. So what you have to do is, like, just go to languages and add your interesting languages. Like if you want to contribute for English, Gujarati, if you know it, like in my case I know Gujarati. If you want to contribute in Hindi as well, and or if you want to contribute for French, then just you have to click here and your French option will be okay. Save. Now save on it. You will find Hindi to English to French and French to English as well. Now what you have to do is, like, click on English to Hindi. You will have a two option over there: translate and validate. Translate is some kind of thing, like when you click on translate, you will find a phrase, a sentence, you have to translate into Hindi. For that you have a Google Indic keyboard here. Just click here, like bottom row, इसे हिंदी में बोलेंगे निचली पंक्ति, अब जैसे ही मैंने इसको कंट्रीब्यूट किया, however I type the निचली पंक्ति here with Google India keyboard, it will automatically convert into Devanagari fonts, and just you have to click on submit or skip. In case if you don't know about the actual meaning, you can skip the content, skip the sentence and go for next sentence, or you can just click on submit. Once you click on submit, it will a set of 10 phrases, 10 sentence. It will 1 out of 10. Right now another phrase, it's she is scared, right? You can skip also this, like I skip, again I can escape commute time, जाने का रास्ता जो भी आप, you can complete escape this also. Once you complete this set, you will find these submissions level. This is my previous submission in a level. So through this you can find these all kind of stuff. Just contribute these phrases, whether it is will be in English to Hindi, Hindi to English, Hindi to Gujarati, English to Gujarati, French, whatever you want to contribute, just keep contributing. And one plus point, or I can say one plus benefit is here, like if you don't have your computer with you, or if you don't have any PC or laptop, you can also contribute through mobile or tablet. Just you have to do one thing, you have to download Google Indic keyboard into your device, so you can type into English and it will automatically convert into Devanagari font. After contributing, till 31st January you have to contribute, you have to make a huge score. After that you can go here my states option and take a screenshot of this window with this email ID, plus take a screenshot of my badges window with email ID and send to gdgjodhpur@gmail.com. Email will be on your screen. Note that send these screenshot to gdgjodhpur@gmail.com till 1st February. At last but not least, whoever going to break my personal record, right now it is 6034, that is my submission score, and obviously will keep increasing till 31st January 2016, will be rewarded by an Android One smartphone, yes, which is I got as a prize by Google India to contribute for Google Translathon 2015 competition. At last, hope you guys do participate and keep contributing.